Fluke 115 Multimeter is designed as a practical solution for field service technicians who need a reliable True-RMS digital multimeter with clear readings and professional-level functionality. With a 6,000 count resolution display, this meter is built to provide detailed measurement results, making it suitable for troubleshooting electrical systems where accuracy and readability are important. One of the key features of the Fluke 115 is its True-RMS capability. This allows the meter to measure AC signals with more accurate readings, especially in situations where electrical waveforms may not be perfectly smooth. For technicians working on a variety of electrical equipment, this feature can help provide more dependable measurements during diagnostic tasks. The meter also includes an LED backlight, which is useful when working in areas with limited lighting. Instead of relying on external light sources, users can view the display more easily in darker environments, helping improve visibility during field work. The combination of a clear display and 6,000 count resolution makes it easier to read measurement values without unnecessary guesswork. As a field service tool, the Fluke 115 focuses on straightforward operation and essential measurement capabilities. It is aimed at professionals who need a dependable instrument for everyday electrical testing, rather than a meter overloaded with specialized functions they may not use regularly. This practical approach can make it a suitable option for technicians who value simplicity, portability, and professional measurement performance. The Fluke 115 multimeter is particularly suited for electrical troubleshooting, maintenance work, and service applications where accurate voltage and current measurements are needed. Its True-RMS technology, readable display, and technician-focused design make it a strong choice for professionals looking for a trusted multimeter for regular field tasks. However, users who require advanced features beyond standard field service measurements may need to consider whether this model includes all the specialized functions they need. The Fluke 115 is focused on delivering essential measurement performance in a compact and easy-to-use format, making it most appealing to technicians who want a reliable everyday testing instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.